Hi children, good morning all. Welcome to our maths class. In the last class we have discussed about the different types of angles. When two rays meet at a point, an angle is formed. The point where the rays meet is called the vertex and the rays are called the arms of the angle. The angle formed at O is written as angle POQ or angle QOP. Okay. So how to measure the angles? We can measure the angles between two arms joining at a point by using a protractor. Angle is measured in degrees. This is the symbol of degrees. So what is a protractor? A protractor is a semicircular device on which there are two scales of measurements. Two sets of measurements which are from 0 to 180. Here also 0 to 180. One is in clockwise, one is in anti-clockwise. So this is the inner scale and this is the outer scale. And there is a baseline. In the baseline there is a midpoint. Okay. So when we are measuring the angle, we have to place this protractor at the baseline and as well as we have to use this protractor. So we have to keep this line at the baseline and the point should meet like this. So what is the angle here? Angle is 45 degrees. Angle is 45 degrees. Okay. Now next one is, here we have completed to measure the angles. Hope you have done the second one also. Next, today we are going to learn about the types of angles. Types of angles. See this? Here is a line. Here is a line. Now I am going to measure the angle. Put this point at the baseline. Yes. What is the angle here? 90. So whenever they are like L shape, means perpendicular. They are called perpendicular. So the angle formed here is 90 degrees. O M P. Okay. We'll take Q here. So here angle POQ is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, angle POQ is equal to 90 degrees or angle QOP is equal to 90 degrees. So two angles are said to be perpendicular when they have the degree 90 degrees. And this 90 degrees angle is called the right angle. RIGHT, right? ANGLE, angle, right angle. Right angle measures 90 degrees. An angle which measures exactly 90 degrees is called a right angle. What is a right angle? An angle which measures exactly 90 degrees is called a right angle. So, how can you say an angle is right angle? Now I just show this picture. If you see L, here is the angle is 90 degrees. In the clock, when the time is 3 o'clock, when the time is 3 o'clock, here 12, the angle between them is 90 degrees. When it is 9 o'clock, then the arrows will be like this. Here also 90 degrees. So when the lines are perpendicular, like this, here also 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. So what is the right angle? A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees is called a right angle. Okay, an angle which measures exactly 90 degrees is called a right angle. 90 degrees, an angle which measures 90 degrees is called right angle. Right angle measures 90 degrees. In both ways they will ask you the question. Right angle measures exactly how much? 90 degrees. The angle which is measures 90 degrees is called a right angle. Okay. So, if you observe the corners of this, here it is like this. What is the angle here? 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees. So, when the corners of your blackboard, when the corners of your book also 90 degrees. Okay, children. Next, if you watch the tables, corners also 90 degrees. Now, can you think of English letters in which right angles are formed? A few have been done for you here. Complete the list. E, F, H. Now let us see these alphabets which are having 90 degrees here. A, no. B, no. C, no. D, no. If you observe here, this is 90 degrees. Here also 90 degrees. So this is yes, E. Next F, yes. Here angle is 90 degrees. G, no. H, yes. Here 90 degrees, here 90, here 90, here 90. So it is S. So what do you get here? E, F, H in first row. Next I, yes. How? Here 90, here 90, here 90, here 90. So I, yes. I. Next J, no. Here, yes. In J, here 90 degrees, right? So yes. K, no. L, yes. M, no. N, no. O, no. P, no. So what do you get here? I, J. Here 90 degrees. Next Q, no. R, no. S, no. T, yes. Here 90, here 90, yes. T. U, no. V, no. W, no. X, no. Here the angle is less than 90. Y, no. Z, no. So what are the alphabets you got? E, F, H, I, J, T. These are L. We forget to write L also, children. L, T. These are the letters in which there are 90 degrees. Okay. So I, J, L, T. E, F, H. In I, in J, in L, and in T. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the next one. Before that, once again repeat this. These are the types of angles. First we are going to learn about the right angle. A right angle is an angle which measures exactly 90 degrees. So in your notebook, first you have to write this heading and then write first right angle and draw these pictures. And then write right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Angle ABC is a right angle and draw this picture. Okay. So also write here, therefore angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. This is also you have to write. So this is the first angle we have. First write right angle, Then draw these figures and then write right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Draw this picture and write angle ABC is a right angle. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Thank you.